Hey everybody, I wanted to post an update. It's been several years since I've made an update. I decided to move the generator over to the other side of my yard, closer to the panel, and we were doing some work in the backyard and whatnot. It was a good time to get the gas line run to the other side. So a few tweaks from my previous videos. This is my direct burial power coming into the ground, and really just needed to get it up underneath the turf and into my garage, and this feeds it into the garage. This is my little flap cover for my quick connect. I've got a gas line in there with a quick connect valve, and basically I just pass it through here if I'm going to use gas. And the reason why I didn't permanently run natural gas over here is because, for the most part, unless it's more than a 6-hour outage, I'm just going to run on gasoline. The benefit of that is you're prepared for both issues. If there's a high wind event and the natural gas lines get pulled and you don't have gasoline, well, you're going to be in trouble. So this way I've really got both options. I got a backup. If you're noticing, this is a upgraded generator. I used to have a Duramax and got pretty good life out of that one over 5 years, and keeping it for my business as a backup. But this generator, the big changes here: one, it's native tri-fuel. Two, it's got a little bit more power. Three, the total harmonic distortion, which you may or may not have heard of, is what is essentially the level of clean power that comes from any power source. And so if you turn your generator on and you got UPSs or lights flickering in the house and whatnot, that's kind of a sign that the power isn't that clean. And so this model, specifically the Westinghouse WGen11500TFc, has a really clean total harmonic distortion, about 5%, which is close to the power company and what they deliver for power. And so this thing starts up and you can't even really tell inside the house. I also noticed it's a little bit quieter. Nice thing about the generator shed, I really didn't have to modify anything. The only thing I did was get a different exhaust hose, and really this was a cleaner exit for the exhaust over the Duramax because it comes out the side instead of the back. And the other benefit of this is it's got a remote start. So I have the remote sitting by the generator or the electrical panel, and so if it's raining outside, I can just simply come into the garage, flip the interlock. If I've lost power, hit the remote start, and boom, generator's up. I don't have to get out in the rain or anything. Fan's automatically going to start. It's got a transfer switch, whether it's house power or generator power, it'll automatically switch between the two. So I have cooling before and after a generator starts, and during, obviously. And other than that, the other cool thing is it's got a trickle charger built in, so I've got that in the transfer switch as well. Upgraded the spark plug to a smaller gap spark plug to help with natural gas starting and other efficiencies. Other than that, it's been a really great generator. We're about to try it out on this hurricane that's rolling into Houston right now. We got about 12 hours, I think, before we'll start seeing some signs, and I'll put some details in the descriptions, links and stuff for items that are in this video, and that way you can either look at the previous videos for the links related to the generator shed, or this video related to anything that was new added to this. One quick thing I want to show is when I do run natural gas, all I have to do is just run my quick connect. I run it through the outside and then just pop it into here. I'm able to close it up. Again, I'm really going to use that if it's going to be a long-term outage and we've got natural gas. But yeah, feel free to hit me up if you've got any questions, and please subscribe to the channel, and appreciate all the support over the years. You guys have been great. Thanks.